locked gate. There's a locked gate in our way. We were going to go that way. But we can't go that way, can we, boys? Can't go that way, can we, Jack?
Different way we're going.
We're going to have to find a different way.
Let's just cut through. Break through the trees.
Break through the trees?
Yeah. Charge through that little gap there.
We're going to go a different route. Since route option 1 had a gate across it, which I wasn't expecting, we're going to go in a slightly different way. Hopefully we find no more gates and we can actually reach Loch Dee on the forest roads, which is where we were planning on camping. So making some lovely progress now, aren't we, boys?
Yeah.
Well on the way to where we're trying to get to. Fingers crossed we don't come across any more locked gates. It's a beautiful little deer. Jack says it was a baby, just ran across the track about 100 metres in front of us and went up that hillside. There we go, Loch Dee, the source of the River Dee. Amazing. So we're not far from hopefully where we'll set up the tent and camp. Should be a lovely camp.
Luckily we got to go the shortcut then, and if that gate which was locked wasn't locked, we'd have to go the longer way. Luckily it was locked so we could go the shortcut. And I imagine it would be so long.
Do you think the shortcut's better than the long way?
Yeah.
few people camping on the way in.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed there's no one at the spot that I have hoped we will be able to get to.
Love you, Daddy. So.
Now I think there might be someone down here, whether they're camping or not, I don't know.
Can 2 people
If they are,
camp?
we'll find somewhere else. Great question. Tommy just said, can 2 people camp? We'll see. We'll see what it is like for space. That's people camping. Got the best spot. There was someone camping there. They've got the best spot. Drat. We'll find somewhere else. So we've found a really nice place to camp. The boys are happy, I think. Happy?
Yeah. I need a quarter.
Tommy's a quarter happy, which as far as I'm concerned is a massive win. It's a really lovely little spot. We've got a bit of elevation. It's kind of a good thing. We're away from a lake, so there's not going to be any midges bothering us. That is going to be the view from the tent.
Wow, that was so fast.
So I've just set the tent up. Oh, there were no midges here when we set up. There are thousands, completely swarming us now. I'm getting bitten to smithereens. Drat. To camp, or to break camp and drive out. I'm not even going to make a cup of coffee this morning. Been flying the drone around to get some nice shots. And I am so unbelievably midge bitten and covered in midges. Coffee can wait. I'm gonna get the tent back down and we're gonna head out. Find somewhere a little less midgy infested. What a place though, eh?